Anyway, let's consider this started. So this is my M1 MacBook. I haven't unboxed it yet. And I got some dbrand skin for it. I'm actually more excited to open it first. Okay. So this is pretty huge, but I guess matches the laptop. I wonder if they have some kind of instructions. This is just, I guess, so it doesn't bend. Oh, I guess that's where I get instructions. Okay, looks cool. I was expecting, oh yeah, here it is. I'm actually trying to do that before I open the laptop, so it's like I don't have to clean it as much. Okay, let us get inside. Okay, now that it didn't go all the way through. Okay. I guess it's not going to be as fancy as I was hoping for. Okay, it's so heavy. Still takes, yeah. Okay, oh yeah, I was wondering what's the size of the, I guess it's the same size. Okay, wow. I didn't expect it to be so heavy. We could kill like 2 people with it. Oh, this is okay. This is huge, but it's like it's not that heavy. I guess I won't be needing that for a second. It's some paperwork. Okay, it's a box. It has some holes in it. Okay. Okay, so let's start with dbrand stuff. I watched the videos how to set it up, so I'm not going to look at it now, I think. Yeah. I want to try it. I think it's paper. It used to be plastic, this part. Actually, since the back is the first thing that opens, maybe I should start with that. I see some cutouts. Yeah, I think it fits this way. So, as far as I understand, what I need to do now is kind of like unpeel it and peel it back, but leave kind of like the corners. I guess it's a time to check the video. Okay. Some installation video. Okay, it's for the wrong version, but so I think that's kind of like the relevant part. Peeling it. Moving a bit. Okay. So I wonder if it's going to. Oh yeah. It's still scary. Everything seems to be working fine except for the fitted fit. Okay. Let's move forward. I'm confused with this fit, but it's how it is without the skin as well, so texture is kind of cool. I have a doll that has like carbon inside or whatever. And so if you can see it. Okay, it's black, kind of like carbon. Yeah, so I was hoping to get something like that on a Mac. Okay, so it's not 100% great, but I don't think I can make it any better, so let's just continue. Whatever the filter I'm using, it seems to be killing the fan noise from the old laptop, but also some of them noises that I do with my hand. So it's it's not that ASMR. Okay, let's hope for the best. Okay, it's not the best. Feet are fine enough, but all the screws are kind of I wonder if there's a lesson if I should do something differently, but okay, I'm not going to show just yet because I'm afraid to leave some fingerprints on the top side, I guess. Okay, so now let's look. How are they doing the top? Maybe I should have done it kind of in a similar way. They leave both corners. Okay, so let's turn it over. So I think the idea is to leave some tiny bit exposed. Anyway, let's try it. The Apple logo cutout seems to be finding for me for some reason. Okay. So I should be leaving some. Okay. Now I can check the size probably. Trying to get the feeling of how much the reach is going to be. It's not much. Okay. No. What's this wasn't my plan. Okay. So let's start with this part. Maybe with even this corner. Okay. My lighting situation is not great for to judge something like this, but probably I feel like I need to make it lower. Because otherwise it's not going to be kind of like the same on the top and the bottom. Overall, the experience is sillier than I expected. Okay. Another try. Let's try this side first. Oh no. Still not clear if I had it or if it's spun. No, I think it's worse. I like the border on the top and the bottom. Left and right is not perfect. Maybe I should go for it. Okay, this is my last time. I hope. What's not inspiring confidence is also the fact that video was not for this exact laptop. think I'm happy with the top. Bottom is good enough. I don't know. Okay. I'm opting to completely redo it. Okay. Yeah, this seems like as good as it ever going to be. Oh, by the way, I'm not using the thing they provided. Maybe I'm losing something. Okay. Now, so what's the most important thing to get right? I think I want to go kind of like this direction. Sounded great. Yeah, I think I'm still kind of like offset on one side. But not enough, so I would want to redo it. Or am I? Oh no. I think I'm going to redo it again. Can I? Oh no, I think it's stuck. Is it too late to change my mind? Screwed it up. I'm leaving my fingerprints. Yes, that's how I am testing the claim that you can remove it without leaving any traces of glue. Okay, so that was a mistake. Trying to peel it. Okay. I'm doing it, but there is no way I can redo it. I think there's going to be some visible damage on the part that got stuck. And I'm choosing to believe that this will make it look even cooler. One of the issues that I had last time is that had a lot of bubbles. So I'm trying to be very careful with that. I mean, at least logo is there. Looks cool, I'm not gonna lie. Especially like reflecting the lights. Okay, so here comes the line that I kind of like screwed up. Because I kind of like turned it 180 degrees, it left the mark. It's not going to be that visible, but like I will know that it's there. So I'm not that happy with how the installation went. I can see like this kind of like corner is kind of like overhanging and this one is exposed. So it's not better than any of the time that I try to bail on it. So I should have just bailed on it. Okay. The line is not that visible, except maybe like here and depending on like on the light that you're. It looks even crazier on the camera that's in reality. So yeah, so the screws that screwed everything up. And these ones that I started with. Yeah, so, and this is corner that is like overhanging. It's not that visible, but this one is exposed. Yeah, so anyway, this is my first time trying to do something like that. I think the look is worth it, but I don't know. Maybe I'll order a new one and just try to apply it again. So that's it. This was my first like test streaming. So let's I guess we can finish it with just opening the laptop and check that it's like it works. Hola. Does it have Russian?
To use English as the main
Oh, yeah,
language,
I see.
press the return key.
Oh, I saw the I saw the notch. It showed up for like a second. Okay. This is funny to see our like Wi-Fi network names. Anyway, probably not going to show this part, but it works. I hope to continue the stream with like with the laptop itself, because my Dell is like overheating. This whole time it was running at like full blast, and I'm hoping it, like the mic doesn't pick it up. But yeah.